and today we will talk not about fast carbohydrates, but about healthy products. When you drink water on an empty stomach, it immediately enters the intestines. Fruit juices, as well as vegetable juices and broths, are digested in 15 to 20 minutes. Mixed salads, vegetables, and fruits are digested in 20 to 30 minutes. Vegetables that go into the salad raw, such as tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, Boston red leaf garden, celery, red or green pepper, and other juicy vegetables are processed in 30 to 40 minutes. If lean oil is added to the salad, the time increases to more than an hour. But with oil, digestion is much better, and such a salad is much more useful than without oil.